Hi everyone, Archana here with another beautiful tutorial, and we are making these really pretty flowers. They are very delicate and the fragrance is out of this world of these flowers the real flower fragrance. So by now you probably guessed what we are making, right? So these are the honeysuckles, very cute, very pretty flowers, and this is one of my favorite flowers. So let's get started. And I also have made some of these flowers in pink color, since this flower comes in a pink as well, but very rarely, which we found in the woods is this one. So let's make these ones right now, and I am going to use our regular paper, this one, Recollections. All information is right here. People are always asking me what paper, what size, what type, what weight, everything. So this is the one, and I'm going to use this EK Success sponge, which is available in the market. Since the other punches, these punches are old, they are not selling anymore, but this is also EK Success brand, and we are using this one, and this is 3 inches size. And I'm going to use this wild honey color, which is Tim Holtz Distress ink, which is very ideal for these flowers. It's very perfect color. Means I was like, wow, when I use this color to make these flowers. So I have this cut out here. We need white floral tape this time, and we need some white stamens. I have used some yellow and brown also, but usually honeysuckle has all white stamens. So let's get started. I have this punch out here. So in this one punch out we are going to make 2 flowers. So just take the punch out, cut it in the middle like that. You have little bit work here, but believe me, it's all worth it. And then this petal we will give a little shape, and don't make these petals pointy, okay? Just make a round on the top. These are rounded petal flowers. And then for other also we are doing the same thing quickly. So I'm making 3 petals out of this one, like that. And again we are going to give this shape to each and every petal. And if you get bunch of them together and make a shape, it will be easy. And in one punch out 2 flowers, not bad, right? Like that. Alright, so this is a little bit weird shape right now, but believe me, it will be fine soon. So get your punch outs here. Look at the shape, it's very unusual shape, and we will use this ink for the center on both sides, okay? Because these flowers, both sides will be shown. Just the center. If you want, you can color couple of them till the end, since couple of the petals in real flower are in a bright orange color. And now we need to spray little bit water on both sides, but there is a water all around. I'm just making them wet like that, and excess water you can just wipe out. and take these petals on your this foam pad. This thingy is very old, and I'm started getting this black little bit tint on my petals, so I'm going to replace it soon. So I will just zoom in little bit so you can see the process. So take your petals and alternate petal, just drag it each petal to the middle like that. Okay, and then turn this petal and the remaining petals, just drag it in, gently drag it in. That's it. You can do this procedure alternate, or you can just do it 2 then 1 or 2. There is no such rule for shaping these flowers. Okay, like that. And then just make a little bit deepness in the middle. That's it. And now take your stamens. I have already used wire, you can see. Okay, and now take this and just wrap it around this flower like that. I hope you got it. Just I wrapped it around, and then get your white floral tip and just turn it like that till the end. Okay, then next one I'll show you. I have a wire here, and this time I will take couple of brown and couple of yellow stamens, and then in the center use this wire like that. I think I'm very close. So use this wire, make a loop, and next one again just need to wrap this petal around. That's it. Okay, that's it. And then your wire, floral tape. So floral tape is must for, so this tape helps this flower get into shape. So you can see, cute. And then again get some ink, this honey ink, wild honey ink, and color this white tape like this. So it will look like a part of this flower, look like this is the whole flower in this color. And you can keep it like that, or you can play around and make couple of petals down, since honeysuckles couple of petals are always like down like that. But I don't bother to do this step, I just like however they are looking now. So just we will add it on this with our green tape. Very simple flower, easy to make in 5 minutes, but you can see how they look, so pretty. You can even use them on your cards, even though they are 3D. You can easily use couple of them on your cards, small greeting cards, or you can make something Alright, so I'll show you again quickly. This is our bouquet. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.